In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add DuckDuckGo to Chrome. By the end, you'll have DuckDuckGo set as your default search engine in Google Chrome, so any searches you type in the address bar will use DuckDuckGo automatically. First, open Google Chrome. If it's already open, make sure you're on a regular browsing window so the menus look standard. Next, go to https://duckduckgo.com in the addresses bar and press Enter. Wait for the DuckDuckGo homepage to load. Visiting the site first lets Chrome recognize DuckDuckGo as a search engine it can use. You don't need to install anything here. We're just going to change Chrome's built-in search setting. Now, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome to open the menu. You'll see options like New Tab, New Window, History, and so on. Click Settings. This opens Chrome's settings in a new tab. Select Search Engine. You'll find this in the left-hand sidebar. This section controls which search engine Chrome uses when you type in the address bar. Click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This opens a page that lists all the search engines Chrome knows about. At the top, you'll usually see a section called Default Search Engines. Below that, there may be a section called Site Search. We'll work in the Default Search Engines list. Find DuckDuckGo in the list. Scroll through the Default Search Engines section until you see DuckDuckGo. If the list is long, take a moment to scan carefully. DuckDuckGo should appear by name. Click the three dots beside DuckDuckGo. This opens a small menu for that specific entry. Click Make Default. Chrome switches your default search engine to DuckDuckGo immediately. This change only affects where your searches are sent. It does not change your bookmarks, history, saved passwords, or extensions. At this point, the setup is complete. DuckDuckGo is now your default search engine in Chrome, and any searches from the address bar or a new tab will go to DuckDuckGo automatically. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.